Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to share our second reveal. So yesterday I shared what was in your junior box of the month for January. We have a beautiful 6x6 stamp set called Rainy Reads. Really super cute. If you want to see more detail, go back to yesterday's video. I go through each page, each ephemera piece, and the card that I made. We've got reading, books, and boots. Really pretty. The coordinating ephemera that goes with it, super pretty. You'll get the full pack of our Rainy Days card fronts, which will be available on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. We've got those sentiments on the back where you can use Teresa's One and Done sentiment die to cut those out. These are the two cards I made with that collection. They turned out so pretty. Love it. The sentiment reads, umbrellas up, books open. And this one, we've got snuggle in and read on. So cute. So the remaining items that will be in the box of the month. We've got a 6x8 stamp set. This one's called Rainy Day Cheer. So cute. We've got adorable images. We've got this cute little frog with an umbrella. We've got a girl with an umbrella and a bouquet of flowers standing in a puddle with an umbrella. We've got some raindrops, little hearts. We've got a rainbow with clouds, another cloud with raindrops, two cute, adorable ducks playing in the rain with raincoats, a little boot with flowers, a little umbrella that you can stamp with your little duck. We've got the sentiment, April showers bring May flowers, and then this little cloud and raindrops is a part of this sentiment, so you can stamp that on the side there. But it is also separate, so you can use it anywhere else you'd like. We've got hope this brightens your day, kindness pours like rain, you're my rainbow after the rain, rain or shine, I'm here for you, and shine after the rain. So really cute. The paper pad is called Chasing Rainbows. It's really bright and cheery. You have all those rainbow colors, just gorgeous. So let's take a look. This is really pretty. I think I'm going to use this sheet today on the card we create. I want to color in those cute little ducks playing in the rain. So I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to get 4 of each design. Beautiful patterns, gorgeous colors. Some florals, raindrops, some rainy clouds, and beautiful florals, all in the beautiful rainbow colors. And you get some watercolor solids. This paper pad will definitely cheer someone up. Okay, so we have coordinating ephemera. This is the card that I did using the ephemera and the paper pad. I stamped out kindness pours like rain. I used Teresa's One and Done sentiment banner, and this turned out super cute, guys. Okay, I'll lay out all the ephemera pieces. Let's take a closer look at some of the images that you can play with. Really beautiful printing, gorgeous colors.
Drip drop, tapping on the window pane, gray skies trying to steal the day. But I've got paper glue and time and a little spark that feels just right.
Rain boots lined up by the door, clouds roll in but we want more.
So we pull out colors bold and bright, turning rainy days into pure delight. When the world feels a little
Okay, so I'm going to take this for inspiration for colors. We're going to grab our stamp set. I'm going to make a 5.5 by 5.5 card today. I'm going to add my print to the backdrop. I'm going to cut out a piece in white and we're going to make a scene on the white. All right, so today I am breaking out my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers. I'm gonna try this Pink Fresh Studio Detail Black. It says it's watercolor friendly. And I have a water brush and my stamp set, and I'm coloring on some Bristol Smooth paper.
Rain or shine, loud and clear. We're crafting joy with rainy day cheer.
Umbrellas dancing, puddles splash, rainbow dreams in every dash.
Scissors snip and laughter flows. Magic happens, heaven knows.
Clouds can't stay forever long. We turn the rain into a song.
Lay your love in every piece. Let the worries fade, release.
When the sky is feeling gray, we choose color anyway. Drip drop rain outside today. Inside we craft the blues away. Paper smiles, a little cheer. Everything feels brighter here. Shine on through the clouds we see. Colors spill so happily. Rain or shine, loud and clear.
We're crafting joy with rainy day cheer.
Every drop just helps things grow. Every storm lets beauty show.
Hands stay busy, hearts feel light. We make our own sunshine bright. Little moments, big heart smiles, worth every crafty mile.
Soft drop, hear the rain. We don't mind, we're entertained. Colors bloom and joy appears.
Hello, happy rainy day cheer.
Rainy day cheer. Drip drop rain outside today. Inside we craft the blues away. Paper smiles, a little cheer.
Everything feels brighter here.
Shine on through the clouds we see. Colors spill so happily. Rain or shine, loud and clear.
We're crafting joy with rainy day cheer.
Rainy days don't disappear.
They turn magical right here.
Okay, so I just flicked on some watered down Zig marker to create like a messy rainy look. I don't want my image to look perfect because it's not perfect coloring. I want it to be more intentional. So I wanted it to look messy. And then I'm gonna have the sentiment at the bottom. We're gonna let it dry first. I'm also gonna take this puddle and I'm just gonna pick up some of that so it even looks more messy and puddly. So we'll let that dry. And since my colors don't really match my paper, I'm gonna take some color pencils and kind of bring the colors into this scene. Okay, and now I'm gonna frame this. I'm gonna frame it with yellow. I think I wanna have some yellow splatters, so I'm gonna do a little bit of what I did before and just pick up some color. Kind of looks like the sun is peeking out from the top there. Okay, so we'll let that dry.
Drip drop, tap tapping on the window pane. Gray skies trying to steal the day, but I've got paper glue and time and a little spark that feels just right.
Rain boots lined up by the door. Clouds roll in, but we want more.
So we pull out colors bold and bright, turning rainy days into pure delight.
I will be listing these enamel dots. On the first, these are Strawberry Kitchen. I'm gonna put some red enamel dots on there to bring back some of that red. Okay, so here is the finished card. Turned out okay. I'm not sure if I really love it, but it was certainly fun to create with the watercolors. I haven't done that in a while. It's kind of freeing. It doesn't have to look perfect, so I enjoyed that. And then here is the other one using the ephemera. So really fun release coming. Stay tuned for tomorrow's Paper Pad Club reveal. I know you're gonna love it, and I will see you then. Bye guys.
Turn the rain into a song.
Lay your love in every piece, let the worries fade, release.
When the sky is feeling gray, we choose color